Welcome back to Ride Reviews Pro. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KX 500, Kawasaki's latest powerhouse in the motocross world. This bike promises unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and a ride experience that will thrill both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Let's break it down. Engine and performance. The heart of the KX 500 is its aggressive 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the power delivery to offer a perfect balance between raw torque and smooth acceleration. With upgraded fuel injection and a refined cam profile, riders can expect quicker throttle response, improved top-end performance, and more consistent power through the rev range. Whether you're hitting jumps or navigating tight corners, the engine provides the confidence and speed needed for competitive racing. Chassis and suspension. Kawasaki has revamped the frame and suspension for 2026. The lightweight aluminum perimeter frame reduces overall weight while improving handling precision. Up front, the KYBSSS fork delivers adjustable compression and rebound damping, allowing riders to fine-tune the suspension for different terrains. At the rear, the Unitrack linkage system enhances traction and stability, keeping the bike planted even on rough or uneven tracks. The combination of frame and suspension upgrades makes the KX 500 extremely agile and responsive. Braking and wheels. Stopping power comes from high-performance disc brakes, with a larger rotor setup that ensures consistent and reliable braking under extreme conditions. Paired with lightweight, durable wheels, the KX 500 maintains exceptional control while reducing unsprung weight. This upgrade gives riders the ability to maneuver sharply and handle sudden obstacles with confidence. Design and ergonomics. Kawasaki has also focused on rider comfort and control. The new KX 500 features a slim, ergonomic body design that allows easy movement while standing or sitting. The seat, foot pegs, and handlebars are all positioned to enhance rider comfort during long sessions, making it easier to maintain control during aggressive riding. Stylish graphics and bold colors complete the modern motocross look, ensuring you stand out on the track. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX 500 is more than just a motocross bike, it's a precision machine engineered for speed, agility, and performance. From its high-output engine to advanced suspension and rider-focused design, it sets a new benchmark in the motocross world. For riders looking to dominate the track or simply enjoy an adrenaline-fueled ride, the KX 500 is a game-changer. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Reviews Pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay updated for more exciting reviews.